Youth leaders from Zimbabwe's ruling party have said the valuable lessons they acquired in the leadership workshop organized by the Communist Party of China are inspiring. The workshop was held at the Mwalimu Julius Nyerere Leadership School in Tanzania last May. The leadership school was co-founded by 6 parties in Southern Africa: Tanzania's Chama cha Mapinduzi Party, the African National Congress of South Africa, the Mozambique Liberation Front Party, the People's Movement for the Liberation of Angola, the SWAPO Party of Namibia, and the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front. Tendai Chirao, Deputy Secretary for Security of the ZANU-PF Politburo of Zimbabwe, said the workshop has provided participants with insights into the Chinese leadership principles that have enabled transformation of China.
We learned about how they do party building, their emphasis on discipline. We also learned about the importance of implementing Chinese socialism with Chinese characteristics. So there's a lot of things that we learned from that training. Most of the principles and philosophy of the Chinese is hinged upon people interest. And that is whatever they do, they make sure that they are guided by the interest of the people.
Hopewell Mubhanganyama, chairman of the youth desk in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, said the program was very beneficial to youth leadership.
So it was an enlightenment event where the young people managed to exchange various programs, especially on poverty eradication, youth empowerment, and how we can transform our country, our development in our countries, specifically in line with our Zimbabwe vision 2030 of becoming an upper middle income economy, as well as in the context of leaving no one in no place behind.
Tatenda Matavira, a member of parliament for the ruling ZANU-PF party, said the CPC has managed to transform China over the past decades, given inspiration to the developing countries.
The strides that China has done are very, very significant. You realize that they also even empower other people and also even inspire the people to realize that every country can actually come from being a third world and become a country like what China is today.